Welcome to 5 DIY Laundry Hacks by Mommy Life Squad. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are so excited to have you guys with us here today. Today I'm gonna share 5 laundry room hacks that's gonna make doing laundry so much easier. And you're probably wondering why we're not showing our face. People always ask us this question. Check out our faceless TikTok account and you'll see why. Just so you're not confused, we're also live on TikTok right now. That's why it looks like I keep turning around. So we decided to do this topic of the laundry room because on TikTok, this video has gone viral multiple times. All right, we're gonna get started by giving you a quick tour of the laundry room. All right, over here I have the washer and dryer. If you could just ignore the laundry detergent on top, that's a work in progress. Okay, in my drawers, I keep extra laundry detergents, extra cleaning supplies, and all the mesh laundry bags. Next, I have my sink, and here I do all my hand washing, and the dirty mop water goes in here. All right, the next portion of my laundry room has gone viral so many times. A little backstory to this area is, so about 2 years ago when I built my house, I wanted to hire someone to build me a station, which can be my folding station. I wanted him to build me shelves that can fit all my laundry bins. He gave me a quote for over $1,000, and I'm not gonna do that. So I decided to DIY it. These bins off of Walmart, I'll link them in the description below, but they are so strong and sturdy. And I purchased these wired racks from Amazon. So one of the main questions I had in the TikTok video was, why are they different colors? So I originally thought of this when I was shopping at Ross, and I found only one of these racks. So I purchased one to see if it would work, and it really worked beautifully. So I decided to go on Amazon and purchase more, and I'll link them below as well. And the actual counter I got for free. When I was building my house, my kitchen guy had extra material. He was so nice, and he offered to just install it for me for free. Okay, back to these bins. As you can tell, they're regular wired racks. Let me pull one out so you can see it. And all I did is put 2 laundry bins inside of them. These racks come in all different sizes, and you can get as many as you need to fill your space. They're so strong and sturdy. It's already lasted me 2 years. Okay, let me put this back in there. As you can tell, they fit quite snug. Overall, the system is genius, and it really worked for me. And I'm gonna explain the logistics of it in a few minutes. All right, if you know me, you know I love Ross. So I purchased this laundry room decor wall art from Ross with this little plant, and it really enhanced my laundry room. So if you're trying to make your laundry room more aesthetically pleasing, just add some cute art pieces, which you could buy from Amazon, and a plant. Okay, now this is also a concept that went viral on our TikTok. When entering this room, you wouldn't even know this exists, but it's a genius concept and has gone viral on our TikTok, so I decided to put it in here today. First, I'm gonna run and grab this bar from my closet. Actually, let me show you how this works without the bar first, and then I'll show you what the bar does. Okay, look at these pieces. They're flush with my wall, and it looks like there's nothing there. But by pulling these bars out, it creates extra storage in your laundry room. So you can use them just like this by just hanging your clothes directly on them. So here's my shirt, and I'm just gonna hang it up directly onto the bar. As you can see, it's just hanging directly onto that piece. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the bar. So now I take the bar and I put it in between the 2 original rods. It has grooves that allows it to fit directly onto those bars. It gives you so much more hanging space. Here I'm putting the shirt on there directly, and you could add so many more items, and it's so strong. The whole rod has been full before, and it stayed on really, really strong. As you can tell now, I'm gonna try to open the door, and it kind of hits this. So I love the fact that it's retractable, and when I'm done with all my hanging products, I'll just remove the rod by popping it out really easily, just like that. And then I retract those bars, making it flush with the wall once again. Now when I want to open my door, it easily opens and it doesn't get in the way. This concept is genius and works in any home, even if you do not have a laundry room. Okay, now my next hack is this washing machine pod cleaner. I actually purchased these from Amazon, and I'll link that as well below. But the thing I like about this pod is that it only uses natural ingredients, and it cleans your washing machine to make it smelling fresh and new. All you do is open it up and then throw it into your tub. Once it's thrown into my tub, I just turn it on to the tub clean cycle. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my regular routine of doing laundry by sorting and putting everything in the bins and showing you exactly how I do it. So my number 1 rule is to start with the largest items first, which is usually the towels, and then making my way down. I designate each bin to a different child in my family, and usually have a bin for towels. So for example, I'll put my husband and myself in a bin, and then each one of my children in a different bin, and then towels have its own bin, and I even have a designated bin just for hangers. Every time I have an extra hanger in my house, I just throw it into this bin. When I'm ready to do laundry, I have a whole bin full of hangers. This keeps the process really organized and makes doing laundry so much easier. All right, now let's start sorting some of the laundry. While I'm doing that, we're gonna say hi to my TikTok live and continue folding. So let's start with the towel. I'm gonna fold it up and then put it into its designated bin. So here I'm folding the towel and I'm gonna just place it directly into the towel bin, which is the middle one. So every time I change which one is the towel bin, but you can designate a specific one for towels and other people in your family by labeling the bins. So now, for example, my husband's shorts, I'm gonna fold them and put them into his regular bin. Now I'm gonna speed this up a little bit so that you don't get bored, but now I'm gonna grab my shirt and hang it up on that retractable rod I showed you earlier. Okay, my last and final trick for you. If you have a shirt that is really wrinkled and you wanna iron it, but you don't have time, all you do is once you hang it up, you just spray it with this Downy wrinkle release. It straightens it up and you don't even need to iron it. This is a great time-saving hack. I'll link this in the descriptions as well. So now I'm gonna continue folding all my kids' clothing and putting it into the designated bins, which is for each individual child. As you see, I'm quickly clearing up this table by organizing my kids' clothes at the same time as folding them. This really saves you time later when you want to put your clothes away. As you can tell, I'm hanging up my kids' clothes on this rack as well. This makes putting away all the clothes a lot easier because I just grab what's from the rack and take it directly to their rooms and hang it up. As you can tell, I'm quickly getting through this laundry pile because I have an organized system. Before this, putting away laundry was such a drag and I really hated doing it. But setting up that space for yourself really gives you that motivational push to get the job done. All right, now I'm down to the last few bits of laundry. So I'm gonna put it away. Organizing all the laundry, all I do is take the baskets into the rooms and organize them. My goal with this was that when my kids are a little bit older, they're gonna put their clothes away and organize it themselves. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.